know what small and medium-sized business owners consider as their top digital marketing solution? Their website. 86.6% of SMB owners said so. They also said it's more effective than email or social media. Despite this, a whopping 64.9% of owners confess that they have yet to give their website a detailed analysis. So, is this how you treat your number one online marketing asset? If you don't take care of your website, it will definitely show, and you won't like it when that happens. In fact, 79% of online shoppers who experienced a dissatisfying visit said that they are less likely to buy from that site, ever. What's worse is, 27% would even tell their friends and family about their bad experience. You don't want to lose 8 out of 10 of your prospects plus their referrals, do you? Unfortunately, you will. That is, unless you know exactly what your website's problem is and you do something about it. But wait, what if your users can't even find your website in the first place because it's not ranking on Google? Maybe it has problematic coding, or maybe you were hit by a Google algorithm update. Here's a quick story. When Google launched its first Panda algorithm update in 2011, an SEO forum polled its members on how their websites were impacted. 40% of members said their sites were hurt. 40%! And FYI, Google tweaks its search algorithm 500 to 600 times a year. Stop wondering why your website can't seem to rank, attract traffic, get leads, and drive sales for your business as it's supposed to. Get your website audit today. We'll audit your number one digital marketing asset so its functions are in tip-top shape. We'll conduct market research to ensure your keywords give you online visibility. We'll study your content to see if it drives sales and is compliant with algorithm updates. We'll check your design if it's mobile responsive and professional. We'll ensure no piece of code is blocking search engines from discovering and ranking your site. We'll carry out meta troubleshooting and backlinks analysis for maximum SEO benefits. Plus, we put all this in an easy-to-understand website audit report, complete with all our recommendations on what actions you can immediately take to resolve your website's problems. We'll even give you a free in-depth consultation on website audit and how this service can help your website and your business. Call us now or send us a message so we can schedule your free consultation on a website audit report today.